Welcome to Learn Biology, and today we'll be discussing eukaryotic cells. So what eukaryotic cells mean, and the exact definition of eukaryotic means true nucleus. So true nucleus, meaning true control center, true brain. And eukaryotic cells are best described as complex cells or more advanced cells which are split into two groups, animal cells and we have plant cells. So let's begin with a diagram. So here we have a simple cell, and animal cells usually have a circular shape. So what we start out with here is the cell membrane. So cell membrane. And what the cell membrane does is act as the barrier to the inside of the cell. So it separates the outside and the inside of the cell. So the cell membrane acts as a gatekeeper. And a gatekeeper, what it does, it prevents certain molecules and substances from entering the cell, while it allows other substances to get in without a problem. So that is what a cell membrane does. It controls the entrance of substances. Then we move on to the inside of the cell. We can first start with the cytoplasm. So cytoplasm. And it is the screen. So what the cytoplasm is, it is a gel-like substance. It is a colloid material that allows for substances to move within the cell, allows reactions to take place, and acts as a shock absorber. So cytoplasm, shock absorber, allows reactions and also movement, and it is a colloid material. Then we have, and just remember that all this is not like a certain part, and that's what the cytoplasm is. I'm just going to erase that so we don't get confused. So we have that. Anyway, now we go in and we have the nucleus, and the nucleus has two sections. The outside, the whole thing is considered the nucleus, and the nucleus is the control center. It is the brain of the cell. It contains the DNA and allows the cell to function. Everything is coded for, and all that information is stored within the nucleus. If we go inside, deeper into the nucleus, we have the nucleolus. And the nucleolus is spelled N-U, nucleolus. And what this does is it is the part of the nucleus that codes for ribosomes. So this makes ribosomes. And what ribosomes are, and we'll discuss that later, but makes ribosomes. But what ribosomes are used for protein synthesis. So make proteins. That's what ribosomes do. And they're coded for within the nucleolus. The nucleolus makes ribosomes. Then we have another part called the endoplasmic reticulum. And there are two types of endoplasmic reticulum, and they're in short called ER, but here's what it looks like. It is just various layers and just looks like that. And what this is again is the ER, endoplasmic reticulum. endoplasmic reticulum. And there are two types. There is smooth and rough. So the smooth endoplasmic reticulum is used to make fats. So smooth equals fats, and it just looks like that. The rough is used to make proteins. So this is used to make proteins. And what the rough ER looks like is just the same thing, except for it has tiny little dots all over it. And these dots are ribosomes. So this has ribosomes. The rough ER has ribosomes. So ribosomes. And just ribosomes. So thank you for watching Learn Biology, and we'll cover rest of the cell parts in the next few videos. See you next time.